Hi dear job seekers, welcome to LikeWays. Vee Technology is conducting walk-ins for the medical coder trainee for freshers from 5th to 7th October. The required qualification is MSc, MPharm, BPharm, BSc or any life science graduates. The job role is candidates should have good knowledge of anatomy and physiology. Organizations giving benefits to selected candidates. They are excellent growth opportunities, continuous learning opportunities, attractive incentives plus OT. Venue of this position is Vee Technologies Private Limited, Smaran Building, Millers Road, Bangalore. You can contact through given mail IDs or mobile numbers. If you want more information about the job openings, visit our website, and if you want a proper email content, visit our email content page. For more updates, share, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.